Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 1 plus x to the power of 3. Now, in the next one, I will put about x squared on numerator and denominator. Now we put the power 3, we put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. And we have 1 plus x to the power of 3. Now we have x to the power of 3, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 3x squared dx. Because we don't have the number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by number 3. Now we need to change the bounds in here. When s equals to number 1, so we have number 1 in here, and later that we put number 1 go in here to find the value of u. So u equals to the square root of number 2. When s equals to number 2, that's it from here, and then I will put number 2 go in here, and we have u equals to number 3. This one we change by u. S to the power of 3, I will change by u squared minus 1. Number 1, we change by the square root of number 2. Number 2, we change by number 3. S squared dx, we change by this one. And now, u and u we simplify. The next one, I will put 1 over 3 in here. So this one, that is about identities. I will put about u minus 1, u plus 1. So number 2 in here, that is about 1 plus 1. So we need to add about u in here. Later that we need to minus about u. This one, that is about u minus 1. So u plus 1 divided by u plus 1, u minus 1 divided by u minus 1, and now we have 1 over u minus 1 plus minus 1 over u plus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u minus 1. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And then I will put the bounds from the square root of number 2 over number 3. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 3 gone here. The square root of number 2 gone here. So this one we have number 2. This one we have number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.